Hi, this is Cathy Agan with the LSU Ag Center. Healthy eating and physical activity are the building blocks of a healthier life. One of the food groups on my plate from the USDA is grains. For someone who needs 2,000 calories per day, a healthy eating pattern would include 6 ounces of grain foods each day. This food group provides energy for our bodies. We should aim to make at least half our grains whole grains. Look for the words 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat on the food label. Whole grains provide more nutrients like fiber than refined grains. Refined grains are common in cookies, cakes, and many snack foods. White pasta, white rice, and white bread are all examples of refined grains. To eat more whole grains, choose whole wheat bread instead of white bread. Have popcorn for a snack instead of chips. Other good whole grain choices include 100% whole wheat pastas and tortillas. Try oatmeal and brown rice too. Foods labeled with the words multigrain, stone ground, 100% wheat, cracked wheat, 7 grain, or bran are usually not 100% whole grain products and may not even contain any whole grains at all. Always look for the word whole. Today I want to share a simple recipe that makes a great snack or breakfast and provides a serving of whole grains. Banana wraps are fun to make and easy to eat on the go. You'll need peanut butter or an alternative if you're allergic to peanuts, a whole wheat tortilla, and a banana. To make this, you simply spread peanut butter on the tortilla. Just cover the whole tortilla with the peanut butter. Or you can use soy butter or whatever other thing that's an alternative if you cannot have peanut butter. And then add 1 banana that's peeled. We're just going to put it at the edge of the tortilla and start rolling the tortilla around the banana. And then we're just going to slice this into coin-size slices. And we will have a wrap with the tortilla in the banana. And this makes a great breakfast or snack. So for more information or recipes, visit our website at lsuagcenter.com.